No, not Scooby.
Scooby looks guilty. Look at that. What are you doing? Where's that rat? Get that rat. Get that rat.
Not Scooby.
Scooby's in charge of rat busts around here. Come on, get that rat. Come on, over here. Come on, get that rat. Get that rat. Get that rat. There's a big rat there. Come on. That's how we unpack frames around here. Oh, that thing's taking off. Oh, Scooby's got a new spot. There you go. Get that sucker. Hurry up. Get that sucker. Get it. Oh, he's got a better spot. There you go. Get that sucker. Hurry up, Scooby. Get it. Is that frame too hard back there? What do you got? Is that frame getting away? Come on, Scooby. Hurry up. What do you got there? What do you got? There's a rat in there. Come on, Scooby, get it. Get it. Yeah, the steel doesn't work very good. Don't cut my box. Yeah, you. Are you getting tired? Scooby looks tired. Come on, Scooby. What's this? Get it. Where are you going? Where are you going? You taking the frame with you? 80-pound frame. Hey, not the box. Scooby, no. Hey, not the box. You're doing that military stuff. There you go. Take that, Scooby. You trying to take the frame with you? Come on, Scooby, get it. Losing traction over there, huh, Scooby? He's taking that frame with him. Getting interrupted. Hello. Not this time. I'm back up for the rest of the year pretty much. Not right off the top of my head. Put the second one. Wait, just use some of it. you'll get someone who can work with the Tatro machine at cost okay. All right. Good luck. Bye. Scooby, you look tired. Scooby looks tired. Come on, Scooby. You're not tired yet, are you? Come on, let's go. Hurry up, get in the way. Yeah. What's this piece right? What's this right? Yeah, there you go. What's that? There's that piece there. There, yes. There, that's an easy one now. All these teeth marks on everything. Wait, what's that? What's that? Get that thing. Come on. Get it. Get it. Watch the camera stand over. Leave it. Get it. Get it. What do you got? We already got that. What do you got? What do you do now? What do you got to do now? That one kind of frame looks pretty. Oh, it attacked him. Scooby almost got attacked there. Hurry up, Scooby, get it! Scooby's having lots of fun over there. Where's that rat, man? Where's that rat? Where's that rat? You got that rat? Get in there. Here, get that. What do you got? Hey, don't bite my knife. What's that? What's that? Yeah, you want that? You eating a frame. Are you eating a frame down there, Scooby? Yeah, my light went off. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, look at that. What's in there, Scooby? What is that? What do you got there? What are you eating on? What do you got there? That's a big piece there. What do you got? What are you eating down there? Is that like a big piece of meat on there? Is that like a big piece of meat? How about that? There you go. There's a good piece. Get that one. Get it. Yeah. Look at that. He's going to get that. There, he got that one off. That was an easy one. Oh, there's a good one there. You can get that one off real easy. Yeah, look at that. You're eating all that thing. Don't eat the frame now. What do you got? Is that like a big bone? Is that a big bone? Look at that. That's like a big bone. Yeah, look at that. He's going to get that sucker. Oh, there it is. It's gone now. Oh, he got that one. Yeah. Look at that mess. Oh, we got more interruptions. No fun around here. Hey, what's this one, Scooby? What's that one? There you go. There you go. Yeah, more interruptions. Hello. Yeah. I don't have any peeling stuff. I got spraying or else now. In stock? No. Try cyclization maybe, that's about it. Well, Randy don't own it no more. Nope. Okay. Alright, bye. Come on, Scooby. What do you got? Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, look at that. Look at that dog. Look at that dog. Look at anything for me to get to? Oh, Now you got all that stuff here. Yeah, look at that. All right. You don't like tape? You left one piece on there, Scooby. Oh, get it, sir. Get it. Yeah, almost, there you go. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, you can leave the frame. Yeah, Scooby getting hot. Workout. Scooby got a good workout. Yeah, look at all that. There's a frame under there. Like that. Are you hot? You'll be a hot dog. Yeah, you made a big mess. Yeah, you made a big mess. Yeah, you killed that rat. Look at that dog. Look at that dog. He's worked up quite a sweat there. So there's our new 58 frame. So there's another project for us to do because there's a 59 motor right over there to go with it. So that's how you make a Harley and don't spend tons of money. You only buy the stuff you want for your bike. You have to buy a bike and throw half of it away. Plus, I like to give Scooby something to play with. Oh, I got some new drills. So here's our 59 motor. Nice good numbers on it, unlike most ones you see. Case of cherry, no brakes on them, no nothing, no scratches, no anything. So it's been sitting around for about 20 years I know of. So crank it and everything. So anyway, that's how you get how you make a pan head up. You just take some junk wheels laying around and some other junk laying around. You make a bike. So that's how you do it. So you start out with a nice, good cherry frame, unlike that red bike we just did recently. Excuse me. So this frame's pretty nice. Looks like it was an accident though, because this is bent here. You see how the crash bar was ripped off the front of it here. Look at that big tongue. You got a big tongue there, Scooby. Frame looks pretty straight. Let's get all the mounts on it. Yeah, Scooby's working up a big sweat. Yeah. The neck lock is all in there good. I don't know what kind of key they're using in it. Let's see if it takes a break and Stratton key. These are our military keys here. Where's my military key at? There it is. That's your World War II military key. Works on everything military World War II. It also fits in these knocks most of the time if it's the original lock. And this one doesn't want to go in it. It must be too new. It's got this fancy new cover on it, so it's a later design. So this won't work in it. These fit in all the 30s and 40s locks. So this is going to take some Briggs & Stratton key blank. So I got 5 or 6 new switches with a bunch of different keys. So we'll see if any of those keys match up. We have a working fork lock. What are you doing, Scooby? Scooby looks tired. So it's got all the tabs on it down here. So one of the guys on eBay stripped down a bike. Bike strippers. But anyway, that's what they look like. So there's a good start of another project. It's supposed to be a 58, and it's an 8E, so that's 58. E's for 50s, 8's for the year. 58 frame and 59 motor. Close enough. Alright. Scooby don't pick up the mess after he makes it, so I guess I'll have to find some volunteer to do that. Probably looks like him. Alright, that's it for now.